I'm going to teach you how to make a pop-up card. So you just need some paper, glue, and some scissors and a few markers. So what you're going to do is you've got your first sheet of paper. You're going to fold it in half like this. And then you're going to, you can decide what you want to have on the inside. So I want to make a pop-up cake. So I'm going to just do one slit like this. And then so you can push through the little slit you've made and make like this. So then you get your other sheet of paper and you're gonna glue that sheet, these two sheets together. So you're gonna put glue on this blue sheet that you just made the slit in. Just get all around the edges so it'll stay. And then once you've done that, you're going to line it up with the green sheet. So you have the base of your pop-up card. So now you can get this little part out and then fold it over. And you have this right here. It should look something like this. And then you can write whatever you want on the, like, happy birthday, Merry Christmas, just whatever you're making the card for. I'm making this a birthday card, so I'll write happy birthday, and you can use multiple colors, do some drawings on the front. This is what I'm gonna do, and then I wanna make a cake on the inside. So I'm gonna get another sheet of paper and draw out a cake, and you can do balloons, a birthday present. For Christmas, you could do a Christmas tree, or you could do snowflakes, or anything like that. So once you have that, you can cut this out. And then once you've done that, you can take your glue stick and glue it to the little tab on your card. So I'm gonna do this. Just put it on the parts you want it to stick. Probably do it on the lower half, but so now you have your card. And you can write a letter on the inside, but that's how you make a pop-up card.